Let me know you.
The wave, A6 back, Trinitron 9, Coney Island with the evening wave. Break.
Hey, Trinitron 9, you come in there, man. Receive. Trinitron 9, doing the deal here in the East Hills of Tennessee. Trinitron 9's what I heard. 672, 6 back. You're on the Rocky Top with the evening time wave.
A672, you all by yourself in Coney Island. 672, you all by yourself in Coney Island right now. A6 back, 672, you all by yourself in Coney Island. Have a good weekend. 672, Trinitron 9 said bye.
Flyboy Radio, I heard Trinitron 9, I heard a bunch of them coming back in there. Hey, can't separate them all, but we got you all here in the hills of Tennessee. 672, 6-pack letting you know.
Hey, 672, I'm trying to clean out your radio. Hey, 6-pack, I'm trying to clean out your radio. Take your 6-pack. The man walking on the water and riding the waves said bye.
Hey, Trinitron 9, you walking on the water, you said you're riding on that wave. Hey, Trinitron 9, cleaning up my receive. Trinitron 9, you did it. 672, 6-pack hills of Tennessee, letting you know.
You got it all, you said it all, I got it all. Take care, 6-pack, I'll catch you in the next wave of the Coney Island. Take care, 672, I'll catch you the next time around. 672, Trinitron 9 said bye.
Pistol grip. We heard you in there, my friend. Doing the deal in the East Hills of Tennessee. 672, 6-pack letting you know.
672, here I come again, riding that wave, walking on that water. A672, here I come again, riding that wave, walking on that water. A672, here I come again, riding that wave, walking on that water. Bye.
No.
Take your 672 and all the good time gang. Take your 672 6-pack and all the good time gang. I'm just playing in the water out here in Coney Island. Take your 6-pack and all the good time gang. Trinitron 9, riding the wave and walking on the water. Just got down. I heard somebody saying number 9, but it's rough and tough. Trinitron 9, Coney Island, standing by. Let me get out of these deep waters. You know my policy, no ghost talking, that's bad for my reputation. Let me get out of these deep waters of Coney Island, Trinitron 9, and more Trinitron 9, riding the wave and walking on the water, I just got down. BT's out there jumping up and down. Sound like BT out there jumping up and down. Trinitron 9, Coney Island, trying to get my base station cleaned out. Break.
508, I appreciate you letting me know we're making it out. 08, we're doing the deal down here. The shockwave.
Watchmaker getting down on the shockwave. That's what I heard. Watchmaker, the man riding the wave and walking on the water. Break.
When you made it to the pistol gripping over you're 127, you're on back out.
Hey, watchmaker, the man riding the wave. Just got down. that watch making the shockwave, but it's a whole lot of hash and trash out here in Coney Island. There's a whole lot of hash and trash out here in Coney Island. Trinitron 9, riding the wave, walking on the water, riding the wave, walking on the water. Trinitron 9, Coney Island, got down.
Hello, Pistol Grip. I better heard the ease off on my radio down here on the southeast of the sea.
I hope that number right.
357, get out of Coney Island. 357, get out of Coney Island. 357, get out of Coney Island. 357, the man riding the wave just got down.
Hey, 357, me and this stock Mike 980 got down. Man, it got rough. I'm not sure if that was 373. It was. Get even time. Happy day for you.
Man, that was a jumbled up mess. I heard my friend Pistol Grip in there. I heard Stick in the Mud. I heard a host of others, man, coming down here around these smoky hills. Like they got real estate. I ain't got no separator. Y'all quit being so mean on a Saturday evening. 357 Tennessee with the wave.
Cleaning out radios, cleaning out radios, cleaning out radios. 357, I'm trying to clean out your radio right there. Hey, 357, I'm trying to clean out your radio right there, right now. 357, the man riding the wave. Break, break, break.
Dear Slayer, you...
Hello, dear Slayer. Pistol down.
Well, dude, said you come over that top. You stepped up in there, man.
Hey, 127. Pistol Grip, Big Father's Day weekend wave up your way, dear Slayer. Stand miles waving. Right back, dear Slayer. I did a quick shot on you, man. Breaking in this new 980, dear Slayer. A 980 with the stock mic, stage 1 I'm out.
Hey, 2x4 with your mean bad self. 357 with the Saturday evening wave.
No get back on 357, no get back on 357, no get back on 357. The man riding the wave and walking on the water just got down.
Day weekend up here around Love Country. And I appreciate the shout, too. Dear Slayer, down here on Lake Okeechobee. Hey, dear Slayer, I got 2x4 with that big old beam. Hey, dear Slayer, here I go to the... Hey, dear Slayer, I'm battling the beam. Hey, dear Slayer, I'm battling the beam. Hey, dear Slayer, I'm battling the...
357, where you go? 357, where you go? 357, the man riding the wave just got down.
Daddy's Day coming up tomorrow. I hear Pistol.
I'm back reading the mail.
Trinitron number 9, the man that's walking on the water and walking on the waves. I hear Stick in the Mud. Saturday evening, 357.
Yeah, I've been jumping around the town, man, talking all over the place, no matter...
Take it 357, take it 357, while I ride the wave and walk on the water. Take it 357, have a good weekend. 357, Trinitron 9, Coney Island, said bye, bye, bye.
Once again, dear Slayer, stand pause. Different radio, different direction. Different direction. One on one is different radio. Different direction. One on one is different radio. Your pistol to Daddy's Day wave.
357, I'm trying to clean out your radio. I'm trying to put some Coney Island water in your radio. I'm trying to clean out your radio. Hey, 357, I know there's a whole lot of hash and trash out there, but I'm trying to clean out your radio and put some of this water in your radio. Take it 357, the man riding the wave said bye, bye, bye.
57357
It's on 357 and dear Slayer, I'm not getting it. I got 152. I got Trinitron. I got... It is all 357. I heard you walk like that.
357 Tennessee with the evening wave.
By 357, by 357, I'm going to pull this thing out of the middle of the deep waters for a minute. Hey, 357, I'm going to pull this thing up out of the middle of the deep waters of Coney Island for a minute. 357, Trinitron 9, Coney Island, said bye, bye, bye.
Hey, Trin, it's just me.
826s and 29s in Jersey, a long time see. 7 Tennessee said, appreciate you.